Hi dear students, welcome back to online classes. I am your Virupaksh BP. In last video we have discussed about what is molecular mass and how to calculate molecular mass, what is gram molecular mass, and what is the relation between molecular mass and vapor density, and what is mole, and what is Avogadro number, and what is molar volume, what is molar mass. Okay, and in last video we have discussed three important formulas to calculate number of moles. Today by using those formulas we are going to solve some numericals. The first numerical: a sample of ozone contains 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. Calculate number of moles and calculate number of oxygens present in 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. Now let us calculate number of moles. The first one, number of moles. Number of moles is equal to, number of moles is denoted by small n. Which formula we have to apply here? First formula or second or third? See here, in the question number of species is given. So which formula we have to apply here? We have to apply first formula. Number of moles is equal to number of species divided by Avogadro number. This is the formula. Now you apply the given values. Number of species is equal to 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. Then what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now you divide these two numbers. After calculation you will get 30 moles. 30 moles. How many moles are present in 13.066 into 10 power 24 molecules? There are 30 moles. Next, number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. In the question, he has given 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. There are 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. Okay, now write the number of molecules. Number of molecules into number of atoms. Number of atoms in one molecule. In one molecule. Number of molecules, how many molecules he has given? 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules he has given. Then in one molecule, in one ozone molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? In ozone molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? There are 3 oxygen atoms. Then you substitute here number of atoms in one molecule. There are 3 atoms in one molecule. Now multiply these two numbers. After multiplication these two numbers, you will get 54.198 into 10 power 24. Now you simplify this number. Then you will get 5.4198 into 10 power 25. Atoms are present in 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. How many moles are present in 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules? There are 30 moles. How many atoms are present? 5.4198 into 10 power 25 atoms are present in 18.066 into 10 power 24 molecules. Now let us go for second numerical. 96 ozone 3 sample contains how many moles, how many molecules and how many atoms? Here the mass of sample is given, that is 96 gram. Then you have to calculate number of moles, number of molecules and number of atoms. Now let us calculate one by one. The first one, number of moles. number of moles. Which formula apply here? There are three formulas, right? Which formula you are going to apply here? In this case, we have applied the number of species divided by Avogadro number. Why? Because here number of species is given, but in this question mass of sample is given. So which formula we have to apply here? First or second or third? Third formula we have to apply here. Why? Because the mass of sample is given. Number of moles is equal to mass of sample divided by molar mass. Now you apply. What is the mass of sample? 96 gram. Then what is the molar mass of ozone 3 molecule? What is the molar mass of ozone 3 molecule? Now calculate molar mass. How many oxygen atoms are there? There are 3 oxygen atoms. What is the atomic mass of one oxygen? 16. 16 3 48 unified mass. But here we need molar mass. It is molecular mass. Molecular mass and molar mass numerically they are equal, but unit is different. So molar mass is 48 gram per mole. Now substitute this value. 48 gram per mole. Here gram get cancelled. Next 41 1 41 2 so 2 moles. How many moles are present in 96 gram ozone 3 sample? There are 2 moles. Okay, next second one, number of molecules. See here, how many moles are present in 96 gram ozone 3 sample? There are 2 moles. Then now we can easily calculate number of molecules. Why? Because number of molecules is equal to number of moles. How many moles are there? 2 moles. Okay, then 2 into 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules, right? 2 into 10 power 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Next, now you multiply these two. After multiplication you will get 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules. How many molecules are present? 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules are present in 96 gram ozone 3 sample. Next, number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to number of molecules into number of atoms in one molecule. How many molecules are present in 96 gram of ozone 3 molecule? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Then how many atoms are present in one molecule of ozone 3? How many atoms are there? 3 atoms, right? O3 means 3 oxygen atoms are there. Now multiple with 3. You will get number of atoms. Multiple these two numbers. After multiplication you will get 36.132 into 10 power 23 atoms. If you simplify this one, you will get 3.6132 into 10 power 24 atoms. How many atoms are present in 96 gram ozone 3 sample? There are 3.6132 into 10 power 24 atoms are present in 96 gram of ozone 3 sample. The next numerical, 28 gram nitride ion sample contains how many moles, how many ions, and how many electrons, and what is total charge on nitride ion. Now let us calculate one by one. First one, number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass of sample divided by molar mass. Molar mass. What is the mass of sample? 28 gram. 28 gram. Then what is molar mass of nitrogen? What is the molar mass of nitrogen? What is the atomic mass? 14. Molar mass is equal to, numerically it is equal to atomic mass and molecular mass, but unit is different. So the atomic mass is 14, but unit is different, gram per mole. Gram get cancelled, 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja, 2 moles. How many moles present in 28 gram nitride ion sample? There are 2 moles. Next, number of ions. Number of ions is equal to number of moles. Number of ions is equal to number of moles. How many moles are there? There are 2 moles. Now 2 moles, that means 2 into, what is the 1 mole of ions? 1 mole of ions is equal to how many ions? 6.022 into 10 power 23 ions. Now you multiply these two values. 6 to ja 12. 12.022 ja 4. 2 to ja 4 into 10 power 23 ions are present in 28 gram nitrate sample. Next, C. Number of electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons. First, how many ions are present in 28 gram of nitride ion? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 ions. Now, total number of electrons is equal to number of ions into number of electrons in one ion. Total number of electrons is equal to number of ions into number of electrons in one ion. Now, how many ions are there? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 ions. Okay, then how many electrons are present in one ion? How many electrons are present in one nitride ion? 1. What is the charge there? There are -3 ions. Now, what is the atomic number of nitrogen? What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7, right? The atomic number is equal to number of electrons and number of protons. How many electrons are there? There are 7 electrons. Why? Because atomic number is 7. Okay, but on the nitrogen there is a -3 charge. There is a -3. That means there are 3 extra electrons are there. Then total how many electrons are there? There are total 10 electrons are there. If here +3 is there, then that means there are 3 electrons are less. That means 7 minus 3 electrons. But here minus is there, negative is there. That indicates there are extra 3 electrons are present on nitrogen. That's why the total number of electrons are 10 electrons. Now here substitute 10 electrons. You multiply this value. After multiplication you will get 120.44 into 10 power 23 electrons. After simplification you will get 1.2044 into 10 power 25 electron. This much of electrons are present in 28 gram nitrate sample. Okay, next, D. Total charge. Total charge. What is the total charge on nitride ion? First, how many ions are present? First, number of ions into charge into total number of ions is into number of electrons on nitrogen. See, how many ions are present? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 ions are there. Then, how many electrons are present on nitrogen? There are 3 electrons, right? Next, 12.044 into 10 power 23 into 3 into what is the charge on one electron? What is the charge on one electron? The charge on one electron is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Now you multiply these all numbers, you will get 57.88 into 10 power 4 coulombs. If you simplify this one, you will get 5.788 into 10 power 5 coulombs. This is the total charge on 28 gram nitrate sample. Now let us go for fourth numerical. 44.8 liter ozone gas at STP contains how many moles, how many molecules and how many atoms, and what is the mass of sample? Now let us calculate one by one. The first one is moles. Number of moles is equal to, which formula apply here? First or second or third one? Here the volume of gas is given, so we have to apply second formula. Number of moles is equal to volume of gas in liter at STP condition divided by 22.4 liter. Now substitute the values. There are 44.8 liter. The volume of gas is 44.8 liter. Divide by 22.4 liter. If you divide these two values, you will get 2 moles. How many moles are present in 44.8 liter of ozone gas? There are 2 moles. Next, number of molecules. How many molecules are present in 44.8 liter ozone gas? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles. There are how many moles? There are 2 moles. That means 2 into 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Now multiply these values. 6 to the 12, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 into 10 power 23 molecules. How many molecules are present in 44.8 liter? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules are present. Then next, calculate number of atoms. How many atoms are present in 44.8 liters? The number of atoms is equal to number of molecules into number of atoms in one molecule. Number of atoms in one molecule. Now, how many molecules are present in 44.8 liter? There are 12.044 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Then, how many atoms are present in one molecule? One molecule of ozone contains how many atoms? How many atoms are there? There are 3 oxygen atoms. Then multiply with 3. After multiplication, multiply this. After multiplication, you will get 36.132 into 10 power 23 atoms. How many atoms are present? 36.13 into 10 power 23 atoms are present. Next, mass of sample. Here we know the number of moles. How many moles are present in 44.8 liter? There are 2 moles. By using number of moles we can calculate mass of sample. Why? Because we know formula. Number of moles is equal to mass of sample divided by molar mass, right? Here in this formula we know number of moles and we know molar mass, then you can easily calculate mass of sample. Now let us calculate mass of sample is equal to, how many moles are present? There are 2 moles. Into, what is the molar mass of O3? How many oxygen atoms are there? 3. What is the atomic mass of one oxygen? 16. Then 16 is 48. 2 moles into 48 gram per mole. Then mole get cancelled. Then 48 into 2, 96 gram. This is the mass of sample. In this way we have to calculate number of moles, number of molecules, number of atoms and number of mass of sample. Next numerical. Calculate number of electrons in 16 gram of methane. In 16 gram of methane we have to calculate number of electrons. First we have to calculate number of moles are present in 16 gram. See, number of moles is equal to mass of sample divided by molar mass. What is the mass of sample? 16 gram. Then what is the molar mass of methane? What is the chemical formula of methane? CH4. Then what is the molar mass of CH4? Now you calculate molar mass. How many carbon atoms are there? 1. What is the atomic mass of 1 carbon? 12. Plus how many hydrogens are there? 4. What is the atomic mass of 1 hydrogen? 1. You will get 16 gram per mole. What is the molar mass? 16 gram per mole. You substitute here 16 gram per mole. Gram get cancelled. 16 1 1 mole. How many moles present in 16 gram of methane? There are 1 mole. Now he is asking electrons. Now number of electrons is equal to number of molecules into number of electrons in one molecule. Number of electrons is equal to number of molecules into number of electrons in one molecule. How many molecules are there? The number of molecules is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, there are 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Then in one molecule how many electrons are present? Now let us calculate the number of electrons present in one molecule, CH4, right? What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. The atomic number is equal to number of electrons. So how many electrons are present in one carbon? There are 6 electrons. Plus, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. That means 1 electron. 1 hydrogen contain 1 electron. How many hydrogens are there? 4. So how many electrons? 4 electrons. Total, how many electrons are present in methane molecule? There are total 10 electrons are present. Now multiply with 10 electrons. You will get total number of electrons. Just simplify this one. Here 10 means there is a plus 1, right? 6.022 into 10 power 24 electrons are present in 16 gram of methane. Next, sixth numerical. In 22 gram of carbon dioxide, calculate number of moles, number of molecules, number of oxygen atoms and number of carbon atoms. Now let us calculate one by one. The first, number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass of sample divided by molar mass. Okay, what is the mass of sample? 22 gram divided by what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? How do you calculate? Just by adding atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. Carbon dioxide, right? How many carbon atoms are there? 1. What is the atomic mass of 1 carbon? 12. Plus how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygen atoms are there. Atomic mass is 16. Then you will get 16 2 ja plus 12 ja, you will get 44 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? 44 gram per mole. 44 gram per mole. Now divide these two. 22 1 ja, 22 2 ja, means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 mole. How many moles are present in 22 gram of carbon dioxide? There are 0.5 moles are present. Next, number of molecules. How many molecules are present? The number of molecules is equal to number of moles. How many moles are there? There are 0.5 moles, right? 0.5 into 1 mole. This is mole, right? 1 mole is equal to how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Now you multiply these two, you will get 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules. How many molecules are present in 22 gram of carbon dioxide? There are 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules are present. Next, number of oxygen atoms. He is asking number of oxygen atoms. Now let us calculate number of oxygen atoms. The number of oxygen atoms is equal to number of molecules into number of oxygen atoms in one molecule. How many molecules are present in 22 gram of carbon dioxide? There are 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Then how many oxygen atoms are present in one molecule? In one carbon dioxide, how many oxygen atoms are there? There are 2 oxygen. So multiple with 2. If you multiple with 2, you will get 6.022 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms present in 22 gram carbon dioxide. Next, D. Number of carbon atoms. Similar. The number of carbon atoms is equal to number of molecules into number of carbon atoms in one molecule. How many molecules are there? There are 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Then how many carbon atoms are present in one molecule? There are only 1 carbon atom. So you multiple with 1. You will get 3.011 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms are present. In this way, we have to calculate number of moles, number of molecules, number of oxygen atoms and number of carbon atoms. These are homework.